Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do the next question of our agriculture optional answer writing practice series. जो हमारे एग्रीकल्चर ऑप्शनल आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस सीरीज चल रही है उसका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं. एंड टुडेस क्वेश्चन इज डिस्कस द प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स फॉर मैनेजमेंट ऑफ स्टोर्ड ग्रेन पेस्ट्स एंड डिजीजेज. So today we have to discuss what are the preventive measures so from using which we can manage our stored grain pests and diseases. So this question was asked in UPSC IFOS. जो इंडियन फॉरेस्ट सर्विस की एग्जामिनेशन होती है यूपीएससी की, उसमें ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जा चुका है. So it becomes very important for us and let's see how we approach this answer. और जनरली अगर आप ऐसे क्वेश्चंस की बात करें तो क्वेश्चन सच एज स्टोर्ड ग्रेन पेस्ट्स, एड्स प्रिवेंशन एंड पेस्ट्स एंड डिजीजेस से काफी क्वेश्चंस यूपीएससी हर साल पूछता है. एटलीस्ट 1 to 2 क्वेश्चंस will be directly from prevention of pests and diseases. Either they will directly give you the prevention of stored grain pests and diseases, or they will name some pests. For example, they will name prevention of rice weevil, or they will give some diseases, or they will give some crops, that is prevention of stored grain pests of rice, prevention of stored grain pests of wheat. सो ऐसे करके वो क्वेश्चन देते रहेंगे. या तो वो डायरेक्टली आपको ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछ देंगे कि प्रिवेंशन कैसे करना है स्टोर्ड ग्रेन पेस्ट एंड डिजीज का, नहीं तो एक दो क्वेश्चन आप लेके जरूर रखो कि पेस्ट एंड डिजीज से आएंगे. या तो फिर वो ऐसे दे देंगे कि राइस वीविल को कैसे प्रिवेंट करें, उसका मैनेजमेंट क्या है, उसका क्या क्या सिम्टम्स है. या फिर दे विल गिव यू क्वेश्चंस लाइक दिस कि राइस के जो पेस्ट्स हैं उसको कैसे मैनेज किया जाए, व्हीट के पेस्ट्स को कैसे मैनेज किया जाए, डिजीज को कैसे मैनेज किया जाए. तो या तो क्रॉप स्पेसिफिक हो जाएंगे, पेस्ट स्पेसिफिक हो जाएंगे, डिजीज स्पेसिफिक हो जाएंगे, या फिर जनरल क्वेश्चन होगा. जैसे यहाँ पे जनरल क्वेश्चन है, ये आईएफएस 2023 में पूछा जा चुका है. सो आई होप you are able to understand what I am trying to convey. So be prepared. So now let's move to the answer. Let's see how we approach the answer. So here we have to discuss the preventive measures of pest and disease. Preventive, that is to prevent करना, that is होने के बाद ट्रीट नहीं करना, ठीक है. Not after they have attacked, that is we have to prevent them from attacking. So this is the crux here कि preventive measures का क्या, ऐसा नहीं कि होने के बाद जो हम लोग केमिकल्स यूज कर रहे हैं, जो भी यूज कर रहे हैं उस पर हम लोग ध्यान नहीं देना है, ठीक है. जो ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे हैं उस पर हमें ध्यान नहीं देना है. We have to not get focused on treatment, that is after insect attack. We have to focus on the preventive measures, that is before attack, what we have to do so that we can stop the attack. So that those are the preventive measures. And if you look at the common stored grain pests and diseases, the common stored grain pests, and these are simply like rice weevil. Some examples I am giving of stored grain pests. These are rice weevil, grain borer हो गया, lesser grain borer, lesser grain borer. You can see that we have warehouse moth. नाम से पता चल रहा है warehouse moth, that is it is a stored grain pests. So these are the common stored grain pests such as rice weevil, lesser grain borer, this is lesser grain borer, warehouse moth. So these are the common stored grain pests. और stored grain diseases की बात करें तो these are generally fungal infections, fungal diseases. So fungal diseases, you can commonly see that different types of fungal diseases occur on stored grains. So fungal diseases are the common diseases, and these are some of the common pests such as rice weevil, lesser grain borer, warehouse moth. So I hope you are able to understand till now. Now let's move to the body of the answer, that is what are the measures, what are the preventive measures. So the most important measure is proper hygiene and sanitation. तो proper hygiene and sanitation is that कि जो भी डट्स वगैरह है उसको हमें रिमूव करना है. रिमूविंग डट्स वगैरह को रिमूव करना है. जो भी डेब्रिस वगैरह है, जो अनवांटेड थिंग्स है उसको हमें रिमूव करना है. जो भी फॉरेन पार्टिकल्स कुछ भी प्रेजेंट है हमारे स्टोरेज एरिया में, ओके, इन आवर स्टोरेज एरिया, और अदर अनवांटेड थिंग्स. these would be removed from our storage area. Any kind of dust, any kind of dirt, any kind of debris, any kind of foreign particles, or any unwanted things which you see lying in our storage area, we need to remove that. Secondly, after removing, we will focus on sanitization, that is cleaning. Cleaning is very important. जो भी holes वगैरह है, filling holes, cracks, anything we can see on in our wall, in our floors. So we will clean the complete wall floors. We will fill the holes, cracks, anything that is present in our walls, floors. If you can, we can paint also, or not to paint, overall a cleaning process. Okay, we will keep the storage area very much clean. Okay, so this we need to do in hygiene, and so proper maintaining proper hygiene and sanitation is very important. Sometimes what happens, if there is a debris, it may be that debris is present from the 2 3 years there, or from 6 7 months there, or some insects, eggs or some insect pests are present in that debris. So if you don't remove that debris, अगर हम उस debris को नहीं हटाएंगे, तो हो सकता है कि जो इसके अंदर insect के eggs present है, हो सकता है insect present है, they later can attack our stored grains. So removing these things are very important, and then cleaning properly, maintaining proper hygiene and sanitation, it is very important. Secondly, maintaining proper moisture content on grains, which is around, if you say 10 to 12%, depending on crops, 12%. In some crops it could be 13%, 14%. In some crops it could be up to 8%, 6%. So जो भी moisture content है उसको हम लोग को manage करके रखना है in crops, because this moisture, अगर it would be higher, it will lead to pest attack and it will lead to diseases. Diseases such as fungal diseases are very much moisture loving. जो भी fungal disease है वो काफी moisture loving होते हैं. तो अगर आप moisture को, जो भी हमारे grains उसके moisture को under control level रखेंगे 8%, 10%, 12% as per crops, जितने भी crops की demand है, तो उससे हम लोग pest attack से भी बचा पाएंगे और disease attack से भी बचा पाएंगे. It is very important. We need to do disinfestation. जो भी हमारा disinfestation है उसे हमें करना होगा, that is treatment. प्री ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ आवर स्टोरेज एरिया. जो भी हमारा स्टोरेज एरिया है उसमें हम लोग ट्रीट कर देंगे उसको अच्छे से. उसमें कुछ भी अगर हमें ऐसा कुछ प्री ट्रीटमेंट केमिकल्स वगैरह है जो हम अपने स्टोरेज एरिया में यूज कर सकते हैं, वी विल यूज दैट. एनी काइंड ऑफ प्री ट्रीटमेंट केमिकल्स और प्री ट्रीटमेंट, समटाइम्स वी आल्सो यूज प्लांट प्रोडक्ट्स सच एज नीम ट्रीटमेंट. So any kind of pre-treatment measure, that is either it could be plant product, either it could be chemical product. So we will do it in our storage area to prevent any future attacks. Quarantine is very important. Whenever some foreign particles, मान के चलो कोई some grains are coming from foreign countries, some grains are coming from other states, other areas, which we need to store, जिसको भी हमें store करना है, तो we will always keep in mind that we will quarantine that crop. Quarantining is very important. जब भी आए तो उसको हम लोग कुछ दिन के लिए क्वारंटीन कर दे, so that whenever we introduce that things in our storage area, जिसमें कि हो सकता है कि पहले से भी कुछ स्टोरेज में ग्रेन्स वगैरह हो, that storage area might have some grains, some crops previously पहले से भी वहाँ प्रेजेंट हो, तो उससे क्या होगा कि अगर आप जब भी फॉरेन कुछ भी वहाँ पे अदर एरिया से लाकर के वहाँ स्टोर करो, उसको क्वारंटीन करने से क्या होगा, उसके अंदर जो भी पेस्ट्स होंगे, जो भी डिजीज होंगे, उसको हम लोग हटा सकते हैं. कोविड में आप देखो क्वारंटीन किया, जो भी अफेक्टेड है उसको पहले कुछ दिन क्वारंटीन कर दो, लेट इट बी, ठीक है, वो सब खत्म हो जाएगा, उसके बाद फिर उसको नॉर्मल एरिया में रखना है. सो दैट इज वी नीड टू डू. टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल ऑफ स्टोरेज एरिया इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जनरली क्या होता है, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. तो जनरली क्या होता है, पेस्ट्स एंड डिजीजेस थ्राइव इन ए वेरी पार्टिकुलर रेंज. तो जनरल जो most perfect range of temperature for pest and disease is between 20 to 40 degrees Celsius. As per researchers, it is found that कि जितने भी पेस्ट और डिजीज हैं 20 to 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस में काफी थ्राइव करते हैं, स्पेशली फंगल डिजीजेज, स्टोर्ड ग्रेन पेस्ट, स्पेशली दे थ्राइव वेरी नाइसली इन 20 to 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो what we will do, either we will keep the temperature low or high, or we will just keep switching. For some time we will keep the temperature low, and after some time we will make the temperature high. After some time low, high, low, high. So this type of changes in temperature, these types of fluctuations in temperature will not let our pests and diseases to establish. वहाँ पे जो हमारा pests and disease है वो ठीक से establish नहीं कर पाएंगे. So that will be very helpful. So temperature changes, temperature control is very important. We need to use controlled atmosphere. It is seen that in presence of good amount of oxygen, there are higher chances that our pests and diseases will flourish. So what we need to do? We need to increase the quantity of nitrogen and carbon dioxide and reduce the quantity of oxygen. ठीक है, हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ऐसा देखा जाता है कि ऑक्सीजन में हमारा पेस्ट और डिजीज जो है काफी अच्छे से काफी अधिक थ्राइव करते हैं, काफी अधिक जो ऑक्सीजन अगर अच्छे अमाउंट में तो आप पेस्ट और डिजीजेस का अटैक होने का चांसेस अधिक रहता है. इसलिए हम लोग अपने स्टोरेज एरिया में ऑक्सीजन अमाउंट कम कर देंगे और नाइट्रोजन और CO2 का अमाउंट को बढ़ा देंगे. उससे क्या होगा कि देयर विल बी लेस चांसेस ऑफ पेस्ट एंड डिजीज अटैक. दिस वी नीड टू डू. Fumigation we can do. There are various kind of fumigants which can be used, such as most commonly used, I am just giving an example, aluminum phosphide. Aluminium phosphide. So it is a kind of fumigant. So fumigation is very important. Fumigation of our storage area, fumigation of our storage bags, so that help us to prevent the disease and pests. Secondly, treatment of storage bags. जो भी हमारे storage bags उसको treatment कर देंगे. Cleaning storage bags is very important. Secondly, stacking जब भी हम लोग करेंगे, whenever we do stack, so we'll keep in mind that the distance from the ground should be higher. Suppose this is our ground, this is our surface. So we will not stack on the surface. We will make a platform which is bit higher than the surface. The platform, it should be bit higher than the surface for some inches, some centimeters. कुछ inches के लिए से 5 इंच 10 इंच जो भी around 1 feet 2 feet, it should be higher than the surface, and then we will stack our storage bags. And the stacking should be also proper, not giving too much of a stack in single row or single column. The stacking should be around 3 to 4 bags in one horizontal base. Okay, so stacking is very important, and whenever we stack, the height from the surface, the stacking should start from a certain height from the surface. It should be not kept directly on the surface. So that we need to maintain, because anytime some pest will enter, something will enter, so on the surface there will be high chances that they will attack it. On above the surface there are little bit less chances. So stacking like this is very important. So these are the common points through which we can prevent our storage grain pests and diseases. So I hope you are able to understand all the points. जो 8-9 मुझे important लगा, the 8-9 points which I felt was important, I summarized you in the answer. You can add points on it. There are many other points also, but whichever new point you are adding, please let us know by commenting. जो भी नए points को add कर रहे हो, please let us know by commenting that I am adding these points, so that we can know that you are going in the right direction or not, you are writing good points or not. So please do comment if you add some new points, or whenever there are some queries, you can simply comment and ask us. So that is all for today. I hope you understand everything, all the points are clear to you, and I hope you will be able to write these types of answers very nicely. So that is all for today. Please do like, please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you on regular basis. अगर आप like करते हो, share करते हो, subscribe करते हो, so it motivates us to make more such videos for you on regular basis. If you like, share and subscribe. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.